Hello friends, myself Anindo, and once again welcome to my channel. From the title of this video, you have already known that this video is going to be second part of analysis satellite data using MATLAB. I have uploaded the first part 8 months ago, so I am really sorry for that because you are waiting too much for the second part. So I will request you go and watch the first part once again, because if you have forgot the first part you will not understand the second part. So go and watch the first part once again. I will give the link in the description below, and you can also watch the first part using the I button at the top right corner. So to analyze those satellite data, you have to install two applications, one for your cell phone and one for your PC. So you have to install GNSS Logger application in your cell phone. It will help you to collect raw satellite data. And then you have to install GNSS Analysis Toolkit. This is a MATLAB based toolkit in your PC to analyze those satellite data. So some of you have already installed MATLAB and some of you don't have the MATLAB, so don't worry, I will give the link for both the application in the description below, and I will also give the analysis or installation booklet or installation guide in the description below, so it will help you to install both the software. And if you have further any problem, or if you have any problem during this installation, you can mail me or you can ask me through the comment section, or you can mail me. My mail ID is given in the description below. So in this video I will show you how to collect those raw satellite data using GNSS Logger application. Then I will show you the analysis. So do not wasting your time, let's start. I have already installed GNSS Logger application, and now I'm going to open it. And here you can find settings, log, position, map, and AGNSS. AGNSS basically the assisted GNSS that uses the assistant GPS, and plot is there. Though inside settings you will find different options, so you have to turn on all the options like locations, measurement, navigation, messenger, and all the options you have to turn on. And at the end you have to turn on the auto scroll. It will scroll, it will show you the data, it will automatically scroll. Here you can see it is scrolling automatically. To save those data you have to press this start log, and it will start saving those data in your device. And inside this plot you can see the plot between the signal strength, dB, decibel in hertz versus time, and this different colors denotes the different satellites. Once you have done, just click stop and send button to stop collecting data. Let's go under the open sky to collect the satellite data. Guys, it's exactly at 5 PM and I have reached at the NASA playground, and now I am at the center of this ground. Just have a look at this ground. Actually boys are playing football in this side and boys are playing cricket in that side, so little bit noise is there. I don't know the audio quality is good or not, because I am recording this video using my cell phone only. So actually I have came here to collect the satellite data, and I am going to walk around this ground and will take the satellite data using this GNSS Logger app. I have choose this place because the large open sky is there, so carrier signal to noise ratio will be high and the elevation of the satellite will be high. Let's see, the elevation of the satellite is between 60 to 90 degree or not. Let's see. When we analyze the data using a MATLAB, we can see the elevation of the satellites. And if you watch the first part of this video, you can see the importance of the elevation and signal to noise ratio, carrier signal to noise ratio. So I am going to collect the data. Guys, I have already completed 3 laps of this ground, and now I am going to stop collecting the data. I have already installed GNSS analysis application in my laptop. If you have any problem while installing this application, feel free to ask me. Let's open it. It will take few minutes to open, so just wait. And please make sure your internet connection is working properly while opening it for the first time. So I am fast forwarding it now. Once it is opened, click on the find log file and select that file you have generated using this GNSS logger application, and then click analysis and plot, and just wait. You have to be patient. Inside the log file you can see the date, time and the device you have used to collect those satellite data, and you can see the Android version of that device also. It will take few minutes to analyze all those data, so I am going to fast forwarding it. Here is the result after analyzing all those data, and here you will get 9 different plots. To understand these plots, you need to watch the first part. I am not going to explain this here because I have already discussed in the first part, so I will show you just plot one by one. This is the bar graphs. In x-axis you will find different navigation system. For first 4 bars GPS is there, then Galileo is there, then GAL is there, then BDS and QGTS is there. I will not discuss here because I have already discussed those in the first part. And in y-axis you will find the signal strength in decibel. This green bar shows the signal strength is more than the threshold value, and the yellow one shows the signal strength less than the threshold value. This graph shows the signal strength of satellite with time. On the right side you will find the different satellite name. The different color shows the different satellite, and y-axis you will find the signal strength in decibel, and in x-axis you will find the time in millisecond. This is sky plot. I have already discussed what is sky plot in the first part. From sky plot you can understand the azimuth and elevation angle of any satellite. Here you can see inside the 60-degree circle there are 10 satellites are there, means whose elevation angle is between 60 degree and 90 degree. And here you can see there are few more satellites between 60 degree and 30 degree, and we can ignore the satellites beyond 30 degree because their signal strength will be less. This plot shows the frequency drift while clock is constant. So I have already discussed what is frequency drift in the first part, so go and watch the first part. And this plot shows the pseudo range versus time. Pseudo range is basically the pseudo distance between the satellite and the receiver. The pseudo distance and the actual distance is not same. So to understand the difference between these two, go and watch the first part I have already discussed. This plot shows the clock bias that I have already discussed in the first part. As I said, if you don't watch the first part you will not understand the second part, because second part is basically the analysis part. And in the right side y-axis you will find the kilometer, and the left side you will find y-axis you will find the millisecond, and x-axis is basically the error. In this graph, x-axis you will find meter in east direction, and y-axis you will find meter in north direction. Actually our cell phone collects the satellite data in a time interval, and so you can see this plot is made by MATLAB using or accumulating different points. So you can understand that point is basically the data. As I have already told that I have completed 3 labs in that ground. So here you can see 3 round or 3 square shaped labs. These labs are smooth because MATLAB is applying Kalman filter. That's why you will get the filtered output from those raw data. That's why this is smooth. Now it's your turn, guys. Just install GNSS logger application in your cell phone and collect raw satellite data and then analyze it. You will really enjoy it. I am telling you will really enjoy if you are a space lover. Only make sure that you are under the open sky when collecting those raw data using your cell phone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any queries you can ask me in the comment section or you can mail me. I will help you. And if you guys really like it, share it, and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. So bye bye.